Welcome to Magitudes. Here's how to curve text in Canva. First of all, let me create a design. Custom dimensions, and for now let me just input 1280 by 720 pixels. But for our purposes it doesn't really matter. And then click on Create New Design. Now let us enter some text here into our project. You can either do that by pressing T on your keyboard, or you can go to text here on the left sidebar and then just drag and drop a heading. Now it needs to be said that until very recently, curving text in Canva was actually really difficult. The reason for this is simply that until very recently there was no such function in Canva. However, now Canva finally added this feature, and to curve your text, all you need to do is click on the text that you would like to curve, then go into Effects here, and then simply click on Curve. And you will see that your text will be curved immediately. Also, you can very easily adjust the curve here by simply using that fader. And adjust the curve to your liking. That's it, that's how easy curving is now in Canva. As you will see, there are also other effects here that you can choose from. For example, you can now easily add a drop shadow to your text. Another great feature that a lot of people have been missing for a long time in Canva, but now we can simply select that here from the Effects tab. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.